again, naturally. Just me and the crushing weight of infinite emptiness.
A side project I've been playing with is I got that little robot back there, if you can see that right there. And it's a little robotic arm. I got it as a hobby toy for me and my kids to play with. And it has a camera on it. And now, the camera that it came with and the software that it came with is all from 2022. And I was like, and it was supposed to have facial recognition, and it was supposed to, look at these little blocks, and it was going to be able to sort things. Well, I figured I could do something better with it. So I hit Claude Code up, and I said, okay, let's SSH into, that has a Raspberry Pi, let's SSH into it and see what happens. And give me an idea of what's the layout of the land, what are we doing, what is available, and then also what can we do more? Can I bring in other APIs? Can I, bring in better facial recognition? Can I have it recognize who I am? And do some more fun things with this. And so, of course, the next thing I wanted to do was turn my robot arm into kind of like Marvin from Hitchhiker's Guide, who is a depressed robot. And at that point, I started to have a lot more fun. So here's the tech stack I'm working with, and I want to show it off to you. I'm using Claude Code to help me write the code and everything. I'm using Claude 4.5 to look at the pictures that the camera is taking to then identify gestures. I'm using ElevenLabs to come up with the voice, and as well as using GPT-4 or Claude 4.5 for making the depressed robot. So I have a whole system prompt that says here's how Marvin responds to things. And so let's start it up. I'm going to start it up on the screen here. I'm going to take you over there. Let's go.
Alone again, naturally. Just me and the crushing weight of infinite emptiness.
Now it's going to look for me.
Oh, wonderful. From tracking unknown to Sterling. My circuits are positively tingling with excitement.
Anyways, this has been a lot of fun, and my kids have been getting a blast out of it, so I'm going to move the camera here.
Oh, wonderful. Sterling's been replaced by unknown. Even the names are getting more depressing.
Unknown is where it's reading someone else. So then on the screen, obviously, you're seeing like the responses coming in here. I also added a little bit of David Attenborough.
A blurry photograph of someone's face. How magnificently pointless and badly focused.
So it has facial recognition. I've trained it on myself. So anything that's not me or it doesn't recognize as me is registered as a unknown. So that's why it'll say unknown. This little robot.
The blurred organic specimen in apparent motion. Brain the size of a planet. Watching pixelated futility unfold.
Anyways, this has been a lot of fun, and I figured I'd share this with my followers because, this is what AI Claude Code ElevenLabs is able to do.